Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure bonus depreciation setup with TaxAct, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, open the TaxAct software on your computer. Sign in to your account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the federal section of the application. Find and select the Deductions tab. Within this tab, look for the option labeled Depreciation. Click on Depreciation to access the depreciation setup. You will now see various options for different types of assets. To set up bonus depreciation, click on Add New Asset. A prompt will appear asking for the asset details. Enter the asset description in the provided field. Next, specify the asset type from the drop-down menu. Now, input the date the asset was placed in service. Then, enter the cost of the asset in the designated box. Look for the option to apply bonus depreciation. Make sure to check the box for bonus depreciation. After that, confirm the percentage for bonus depreciation. Typically, this will be 100% for qualifying assets. Ensure all entered information is accurate. Once everything looks correct, click Save to finalize the asset entry. Next, repeat the process for any additional assets you wish to include. After entering all your assets, return to the Deductions tab. Review all entered depreciation information for completeness. Finally, proceed to the next section of your TaxAct return to ensure all deductions are accurately reported. Take a moment to review your tax return summary to confirm everything is in order. That concludes the bonus depreciation setup using TaxAct. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.